Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question, and in this question we have to show the relationship between A, B and C, and in this question we are having the graph also. So according to the equation you can say that it is a equation for the parabola because y equal to 4ax square plus bx plus c guys, right? And we know that there are two type of the parabola. First one is the upward open and second one is the downward open. Since and when the it is a upward open, when the a is greater than 0, then you can say that when a is greater than 0, then it is upward open, and a is greater than 0, and this paragraph is downward open when a is downward open guys, right? Are you getting my points guys? When a is less than 0, are you getting my points? So you can say that it is a according to the graph you can say that it is a downward open. So a is not greater than 0, a is less than 0 guys, right? You can say that a is less than 0, right? Okay, are you getting my points guys? So first option is the incorrect guys, you can say that. And according to for the second options, first of all we have to find out about the C, right? So we know that at x equal to 0, we get the value of y is the positive, right? So you can say that at y at x is equal to 0, we got the value, we will get the value is greater than 0 guys, right? Are you getting my points? So, and what is the value of y? Ax square plus bx plus c, and what is the value of x? X equal to 0. So put the x equal to 0 in this equation guys. So we can write here a into 0 square plus b into 0 plus c is also greater than 0, right? So it becomes, this term becomes 0, right? So this term becomes 0 plus 0 plus c. You can write here c is also greater than 0 guys. So third option, option number C is also correct, right? Option number C is correct. Are you getting my points guys? So we are having the first one incorrect, and C, option number C is correct guys. According to the solution we can say that. And for the option D you can say that, for option D since according to the graph you can say that there are two value x1 and x2, y is equal to 0, right? At distinct point x1 and x2, y is equal to 0. So you can say that since two roots are real and unequal, so d is greater than 0, means discriminant is greater than 0 guys, right? So we can say that d is greater than 0, and d is greater than 0, it means we know that the formula d equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, right? Are you getting my points guys? Is greater than 0, and when we can write here the b square is greater than 4ac. So option D is also incorrect guys, right? But and we can find out the sign from here. When we are having the a is less than 0, it means a is negative guys, right? And c is greater than 0, it means you can say that c is positive, right? Are you getting my points guys? Okay, and the multiplication of negative numbers and the positive number, we get AC is also negative, right? AC is also negative, right? AC is also negative, then 4AC is also negative, right? So B square is also negative, greater than 4AC means negative guys. But according to this observation we can't say what is the sign of the b. B is greater than 0 or less than 0, it doesn't, we can't say, right? So and we know that the coordinate of the vertex, coordinate of the vertex equal to, you can say that coordinate of vertex equal to minus b by a, minus b by a is greater than 0, means minus b by 2a. You can say that guys, minus b by 2a is greater than 0, right? And when the a is less than 0, so it's negative and its sign is also negative, negative cancel, and we get the value b is greater than 0. So we are having the two options, B and C, both are the correct guys, right? Are you getting my points guys? So I hope you are getting very well. So bye bye, take care, best of luck, see you in the next session guys. Thank you.